So if you have a product on Shopify that is in stock but it's saying that it's sold out, in this video I'll show you how you can fix that. So there's a few different things that can cause this and different ways that you can fix it. Now first, what you want to do is just open up Shopify and go to your products and find the product that's saying it is sold out. So for example, I have this one right here that's saying 0 in stock. Now if you then open up that product, what you can do is just scroll down to the inventory section. So right here you have inventory. Then if the inventory is being tracked, which you don't have to do, but here you can then select where it is being tracked. So for example, this one was imported with AutoDS, but if I just select multiple locations and then click save at the top, what I can now do is here under available, just set it to any amount that I have available, such as 100, and click save. And now I will have stock of 100. So if I now go back to my overall products, you will now see that there are 100 in stock. Now if accidentally the product has been sold out and you are now going to sell products that you don't actually have in stock, you will need to refund those customers, of course, but that's not a massive issue. Now you want to also check the product variants. So if your product has different variants, such as different colors or sizes, make sure each variant has stock. Sometimes not all variants are sold out, even though the main product says out of stock. Now what you could also do is turn on continue selling when out of stock. So you can do that by going to sell when out of stock here, and then click continue selling when out of stock, and then click save. And that way, even if it says it is out of stock, you will still be able to sell this product. Now again, I imported this one with AutoDS. If you have your own inventory, then you know how much to add. With AutoDS, you're probably not sure. Same for CJ dropshipping and Zendrop. So in that case, you can just add an amount like 100. And if you sell more than they have in stock, you will need to refund them. Or you could just say continue selling when out of stock. And then even if it says out of stock, you can still sell the product as long as there is inventory and you can fulfill the orders. So that's basically how you can fix Shopify saying a product is out of stock even though it isn't. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.